cracking the meaning, nest egg. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving deep into the world of English idioms. One fascinating phrase we'll unpack is nest egg. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand its meaning but also be able to use it confidently in your conversations. Let's start with the two words separately. 1. Nest. A shelter constructed by birds to hold their eggs and provide a safe space for their offspring. 2. Egg. An oval object from which a baby bird hatches. Together, the term nest egg paints a picture of safety and provision for the future. But how does this relate to its idiomatic meaning? In the English language, nest egg doesn't usually refer to birds or their eggs. Instead, it's an idiom that means a sum of money saved for the future. This could be for retirement, buying a home, or any other future financial goal. The idea is that just as birds keep their eggs safe in a nest, people keep their savings safe for future use. Example: I've been putting away a little money every month for years, and now I have a nest egg for my retirement. To help solidify your understanding, here are a few more examples. 1. It's wise to have a nest egg in case of emergencies. 2. My grandparents left a small nest egg for all their grandchildren. 3. While she loves to travel, she's always careful to not touch her nest egg. While using nest egg, avoid these pitfalls. 1. It's not typically used for small, short-term savings. For example, money saved for a weekend trip isn't usually referred to as a nest egg. 2. Don't confuse it with the act of saving. Nest egg refers to the savings itself, not the action. And there you have it, the idiom, nest egg, decoded. English is filled with such colorful expressions, and mastering them will make your conversations richer and more engaging. We hope this video has been enlightening. Keep saving those nest eggs, and, of course, keep learning. Until next time.